I'm now going for my first parascending ride and I'm very excited. It's a nice weather and it's sunny, so I hope not to get burned.
Okay. How long are you gonna stay here, Katja?
1 more day.
One more day, so it's almost the last day, no?
Yes.
Okay.
Almost the last.
Ooh. You think the parachute will break and you're gonna get water?
Water is great.
Cool attitude. You have a hard job, Nigel? Dressing up the nice girls?
don't really need to do that. I just like it.
Okay. Katja, ready to go?
Ready.
Okay, cool. Woo!